Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Here I want to show you step by step how to buy cryptocurrency on Binance. I will show you how to register, how to deposit money, and how to use that money to buy cryptocurrency. I will also show you how to sell your cryptocurrency back into your local currency and then how to withdraw it back into your bank account. How you do all this, I will show you step by step now. At first, you click the link in the video description to come to the right registration page. You will also save 20% trading fee discount if you use the link in the video description for registration. After you just create your account, and when your account is created, you just log in at Binance and go to the dashboard, and from the dashboard you click here in the menu on identification. The identification is necessary to be able to deposit money, therefore just do it by clicking here on this verify button and also on this one. If both verifications are done, you are able to deposit money by clicking here on buy crypto and then on bank deposit. Here you can choose your currency and your your payment method. You can use bank transfer and credit card, and after you just type in this field how much money you want to transfer, then you click on continue. So that you now get the bank details which you need for the bank transfer. Now just go into your online banking and use the information to do the bank transfer. After 1 to 3 business days the money should arrive. If your local currency is not listed, you can also click here on crypto and deposit, for example, US dollar Tether or Bitcoin. You can use Bitcoin and US dollar Tether to buy other cryptocurrencies. When the money has arrived, you can now click on trade and then on convert. Here you can convert your local currency in US dollar Tether, and with US dollar Tether you can buy very many cryptocurrencies. If you bought your US dollar Tether, you can now change from US dollar Tether to all the cryptocurrencies you want to buy. There are a lot. And if you want to buy, for example, Bitcoin, you can now just click here on max or just type in some amount of money. Then you click on preview conversion. And now you have 5 seconds to confirm this transaction. If you don't want to do this transaction, you can click here on refresh, or you can go back and use another amount. If you now want to see all your cryptocurrencies that you bought, you can click here on wallet and then on fiat and spot. There you can see all your cryptocurrencies and all your cash balance. But you can also buy even more cryptocurrencies if you buy it by clicking here on the cryptocurrency you want to buy, for example IOTA. And now you can click here on trade and you see that you can buy IOTA with US dollar Tether. There you just click on it so that you now come to the trading view. Here you can now check if you selected the right trading pair. You see it is right in my case. Then you just scroll down, click here on market order. This means that your order will immediately filled and you don't have to wait. And now you just type in this field how much US dollar Tether you want to spend to buy IOTA, for example. The same you can do by selling IOTA. There you just type in this field how much IOTA you want to sell, and then on sell IOTA, then you get back your US dollar Tether. And if you want to change your US dollar Tether back into your local currency, you click again on here trade and then on convert. Here you just select US dollar Tether, and then here on the other one you click euro, for example. It is my local currency, and now you can convert your US dollar Tether back into euro. If you now want to withdraw your euro back into your bank account, you just click here on buy crypto, then on bank deposit, and here you can click withdraw. If you click here, you just type in your bank details, and after 1 to 3 business days, the local currency is back into your bank account. Yeah, that's it for the tutorial. I hope you liked it. Give the video a like and subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye.